Hey, welcome to the Pi Network roadmap to Binance listing. In this video, we'll discuss the steps that the Pi Network is taking to get listed on Binance. As you already know, Binance is one of the most popular exchanges in the world, so this is a huge opportunity for the Pi Network that will totally unleash its potential. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we clearly will not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Starting off by understanding what is Pi Network. The Pi Network is a project that was initially designed to take on some of the biggest issues in the world today. It's a blockchain-based platform that allows for fast, secure, and efficient transactions, all of which are crucial to any Web 3.0 based system. And that shows its significance. What makes the Pi Network so special is that it's built on top of the IOTA Tangle, which is a unique distributed ledger that allows for scalability and zero fees. This means that the Pi Network can handle a high volume of transactions without any problems. You must have heard of Binance, but do you understand what is Binance? It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and if you're looking to list your token on an exchange, Binance is a great choice, if not the best choice. But what makes Binance so special? Well, for starters, it's one of the fastest exchanges in the world. Transactions are processed quickly and without any lag. Plus, it's got a massive user base. Over 10 million people use Binance every day to trade cryptocurrencies. That's a lot of potential customers. So if you're looking to get your token listed on an exchange, Binance is definitely worth considering. Why is the Pi Network being listed on Binance? Let me answer this. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's no wonder that the Pi Network is being listed on Binance. It's a great way to increase awareness and exposure for our projects. The CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, has hinted that the Pi Network might get listed on the Binance exchange. In a recent interview, he said, "The Pi Network is a new coin. It's not just a fork of another coin." He also revealed that the worth of the Pi Network is unknown at this point, but he's confident that it will be a valuable investment. We're excited to see how the listing on Binance will help us grow and develop our project. What is the roadmap for the listing of the Pi Network on Binance? Let's take a look at this step-by-step process of Pi Network's listing on Binance. The first step is to make sure that our token is compliant with all of the regulations set by Binance. We're doing this by working with our legal team to make sure that everything is in order. Once we're compliant, the first step is to create an account on the Binance exchange. Once you've registered, you will need to complete the verification process. This includes providing your name, email, and country of residence. Once your account is verified, you will need to deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum into your Binance account. You can do this by going to the Funds tab and selecting Deposits. Once your coins have been deposited, you will need to go to the Exchange tab and select Basic. Then search for the coin that you would like to list and click on the Trade button. The final step is to contact the Binance team and let them know that you would like to have your coin listed on their exchange. They will require a few details about your coin, such as the symbol, name, and website. Now let's talk about the use cases of the Pi Network. One of the things that make the Pi Network so powerful is that it can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, it can be used for data storage, processing, and transportation. Plus, it can be used for secure messaging and for verifying and authenticating transactions. The possibilities are endless, and that's why we're so excited about the potential of the Pi Network. It's going to change the way we do business, and it's going to make life easier for people all around the world. Will the listing of the Pi Network on Binance benefit the community? You might be wondering whether all of this will benefit the community. The answer is an emphatic yes. As you know, Binance is one of the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. A listing on Binance will provide greater exposure for the Pi Network and help to grow our community even further. So what are you waiting for? Get started now and be one of the first to join the Pi Network on Binance. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.